Let's learn how you can turn off red dot on iPhone apps. The method is same for every iPhone and every iOS system. It really doesn't matter which iPhone you're using to turn off this red dot on applications. You will have to go to notification center. So you will have to go to settings, and once you're there, you will just have to find a notification option. Click here, and you will have to find the application you have a red dot on. For example, I will go to Viber, and here when you're there, you will just have to turn on this badges option. Once it turns gray, as you can see now, it won't show red dot and it won't show notifications. This red dot is how much messages you have unread, so you will just have to turn badges off. When you turn it off, you will have the red dot and the number of messages back. So